Right, brand new sign. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. I paid $45 for this sign, and I'm taking it out of the bag. I met a guy in Hartford today, so let's take a look at it. It's a Miller High Life sign. This is the reason that I was so excited about this sign. This is a cylinder that I believe rotates from the heat of a light bulb. Looks like we've got another piece here. Let's take a look at that. Alright, that looks to be a bottle of Miller High Life in ice. And then the last piece is the ice bucket. Alright, so little background on this, and then here is, oh, look at that. That is where this cylinder sits, and then there's a light bulb in here. This is my favorite type of sign. It is a motion sign, but the motion is not driven by a motor. I have several of these of the Hams variety. I think I can actually show you of them down here. Plug this in quick and you can see them. It's the this Ham sign right here, and if you peek in here you can see there's a light bulb, and then the heat from that light bulb turns these cylinders, and then they have these fans on the top, and one turns one way, one turns the other way when it heats up a little bit, and you have motion without a motor turning anything, which is just, I just think the coolest thing ever. So back to this sign. So what is amazing so far, and I'll start cleaning this up and see reading about what wattage light bulb should be in there, is that what used to happen, the vulnerability on these signs was they typically had a low wattage light bulb. So in this case, I think it should be like a 25 watt light bulb. So, but what happened is eventually they would wear out, right? They would go out. And most people don't have a 25 watt light bulb in their house, but they have like a 40 and a 60 watt light bulb. And if I look at this, sure enough, that is a 60 watt light bulb. So the sign really goes fast with a 60 watt light bulb, but what would happen often is it would get too hot and it would warp or burn this cylinder. So looking at this cylinder, it does in fact have a little warp to it. So the first thing I'm going to do is start reading and probably get the correct wattage light bulb in here. More to come.